Hey guys, Parker here. Got a little mini vlog for you. I'm all the way up here in Eden, Utah. I'm actually taking photos of a house, but the house lost power last night, and now, because I can only have access through the garage, the realtor is panicking, trying to get in, and he actually called a locksmith to get in to try to figure that out. So while that's happening, I'm getting lunch right here at this little gem. Let's go check it out. Scallywag Grill. Got here perfect timing. It's not like cold yet because it's an outdoor experience. Ended up getting the heave ho and a root beer float. Oh hey, Future Parker here. Yeah, I forgot to film an outro, but 10 out of 10 would recommend. Food was really delicious, and it was just a really fun environment to be in. A lot of fun, a lot of cute little location in that tiny little town. So, yep, thanks for watching. Peace.